Welcome to my first preview of Insurgency Sandstorm. This is the sequel to the original Insurgency, which you could find on Steam. The developers were one of the best, probably in my view, one of the best mods for Half-Life and the Source engine. But they've taken this into Unreal Engine, and now you have quite an excellent upgrade to the base gameplay that they had before, which I'll be getting into in just a couple minutes. So, without further ado, I will get into gameplay. One of the great aspects of the original game was the customizability of the different classes and the ability to customize different weapons, which led to really a lot of variety in gameplay. So you could specialize as someone who wore light armor, for example, who was good at close combat fighting, or you could be a long range sniper, or someone who would get on point with heavy armor and would hold the point, but wouldn't be very mobile because they're wearing heavy armor. So now we're in the class selection screen. I'm going to go ahead and select a gunner. A gunner lays down suppressive fire for his teammates. It's a support class. And I've got a PKM here with a long barrel. Long barrel is going to give me increased muzzle velocity, and it'll just make the rounds hit faster, basically. So let's get into the game here. We are playing firefight right now, meaning there's a cache. The enemy team has a cache, and we have to take all of the points in order to win. So let's get in here. Playing as the insurgents. Deploy. And I definitely lost that engagement. I thought I could just suppress that room and I'd be able to get him, but so now whenever you die, you enter into the queue. So if an objective is captured, then I'll respawn, but right now I'm just spectating my team. Looks like we'll get A here. Yep. I can deploy my bipod here. All right, one down. Now, unlike a lot of other shooters, you don't have any indication that you've gotten the kill, so you have to wait. And you have to actually visually confirm the kill. Oh my god. I just took out the whole team. Take B, guys. Moving to Bravo. Oh boy. Shoot. All right, so that resulted in a victory, and you can kind of see how it plays out. Whenever you capture a flag, your team spawns, and you're just trying to eliminate the other team, basically. So there's two other game modes in Insurgency Sandstorm, and they the other game modes play out with a commander and an observer. So the commander can call in fire support, and the observer has to be near the commander in order to help call that in with his radio. And if you're consistent about it and you call in enough support, it basically will lead to your team being very well supported, and usually results in a victory when you have a good commander. So that's just a very quick overview of Insurgency Sandstorm. It's definitely a game that I've been enjoying, and if you'd like to check it out on Steam, I'll have a link in the description, and it's in beta right now, so nothing you see here is final, but the developers are planning on releasing it in November, I believe, or December. I'm not quite sure on that, but it's definitely one you should look out for. And if you have any interest in tactical shooters or just games that are more strategic in general, that are more realistic, this is one you should consider adding to your collection. So I hope you guys have a great evening, a great day, and I'll catch you on my next video. If you'd like, you can hit the like button, you can subscribe, and I'll definitely keep creating content for this game. It's one of my favorites that's coming out in the next couple of months. So take care, and I'll catch you later.